Welcome to shampoobeauty.com. We are introducing you Colormax Ebony Waterproof All-Day Matte Liquid Black Eyeliner. It's one of the best black eyeliner price, which is getting from Bangladesh. This Colormax Ebony Waterproof Matte Eyeliner is totally cruelty-free and 100% vegan, and it's the best product quality which has been imported from Germany. এটি প্রাণী প্রতিরোধী, প্রাণীদের উপর ক্ষতিকর নয় এবং শতভাগ আমিষরোধী জার্মানির একটি কোয়ালিটি পণ্য। So we are giving you this eyeliner up to 20% discount in the area of Uttara, Gulshan, Bonani. You can say in the area of Dhaka from the shampoobeauty.com, and we are giving you it in as an original product which has been imported from shampoobeauty.com. আমরা আপনাদেরকে এই আইলাইনার up to 20% discount, free delivery charge ঢাকাতে দিচ্ছি, and it's original. If you guys think that it is original নয়, then there's an opportunity to give it back. Thank you.